In this video, you'll learn how to create a FAQ section in webflow. This process will guide you through setting up a new site and utilizing the AI site builder for your FAQ needs. Begin by navigating to the webflow dashboard, open your preferred web browser and enter the webflow website URL. Once you reach the home page, locate the sites option in the main navigation menu, click on it to view your existing projects. Next, to create a new site, look for the New Site button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will redirect you to a screen where you can choose the type of site you want to build. After that, select the AI Site Builder option. This feature simplifies the process of creating a website by using artificial intelligence to assist you. You will be taken to a new page where you can start describing your site. Once this appears, find the section labeled Describe Your Site. Here, you will enter the purpose of your site. Type in Create FAQ as the description. This step is crucial as it helps the AI tailor the site to your specific needs. Now click the Enter button to confirm your input. This action will initiate the site building process based on the description you've provided. You may notice a brief loading indicator while the system processes your request. Once your site description is confirmed, look for the option labeled Structure Your Site. This feature allows you to outline the various sections of your website, including the FAQ section. Selecting this will take you to a layout interface. Next, proceed by clicking on Generate Site. This will prompt the AI to create a preliminary version of your website based on the structure you've set. A progress bar may appear indicating the status of the generation process. After the site is generated, you will see a message that says Generate More Themes. This option allows you to explore different design themes for your site. You can choose one that best fits your style or purpose. Then a message will appear prompting you to customize your design. By clicking this, you can access various design options to tailor the look of your FAQ section and the overall site to your preferences. Following this, another message will guide you to customize your sections. This option is essential for modifying the content and layout of the FAQ area specifically. Adjust the sections as necessary to fit your content needs. Next, you will encounter a message that states Generate a Layout. This indicates that the system is finalizing the layout based on your previous customizations. Again, a loading screen may appear while this process is underway. Afterward, a message will indicate that the site is preparing. This step involves the system getting everything ready for your site to be fully functional. Wait for this process to complete. Once the preparation is done, a message will inform you that sections are being created. This process may take a short while depending on the complexity of your site. Then you will see a message stating Drafting Content. This phase is where the AI populate your site with placeholder content, including your FAQ entries. After the content has been drafted, a message will appear indicating that the pages are being finalized. This is the last step before your site becomes fully operational. Finally, you will need to wait for the process to finish generating. This may take some time, especially if you've included a lot of content or complex features. Be patient as the system completes the setup. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.